As part of its national plan to put price on carbon, Trudeau government imposed the federal carbon tax on provinces that don't have their own pollution control plan. On April 1st, the tax was imposed on four provinces: Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Ontario, and New Brunswick. Some politicians like Ontario Premier Doug Ford and federal Conservative leader Andrew Scheer condemned this move, saying it's a job-killing tax that hurt Canadians. Meanwhile, others argue it's one of the best proven way to reduce carbon emission. British Columbia and California both use the system successfully. Most Canadians find this tax confusing, so let's see if we can understand it a bit better. The whole idea behind the tax is to change the pricing. By raising the price of fuel that cause carbon emission, it will affect the consumer behavior. It is a matter of common sense. When one thing is expensive, we tend to start looking for cheaper options. When the carbon tax is imposed, consumers will pay more for gas, heating, natural gas. Hopefully, they will move to more cleaner and sustainable options. A tax rebate is also designed by the government considering the affordability of average Canadian household. Now the question arises that if government is offering a rebate on tax, what's the point of taxing in first place? Under carbon pricing, by reducing your carbon footprints, it means saving money. To simplify, imagine your favorite meal used to cost $3. Now the cafe has increased its price by $5 and the meal is costing you $8. At the same time, the cafe has started giving out $5 vouchers. It's up to you now that you can buy same meal and get the voucher. It's going to cost you same, or you can change your meal options to a less expensive one, get the voucher. That way, you save $5 voucher and you can spend it on other goodies. There is also an opinion that the carbon tax will kill jobs. Numbers shows story around. According to the study of British Columbia's carbon tax, it suggests that it led to an increase of 2% in total number of jobs in the province between 2007 and 2013. Ultimately, it comes down to this. Do we Canadians really need to worry about green gas emission? Answer is yes. We are warming twice at the rate of any other country in the world. We are not the largest contributors, but Canada is hit hard by the climate change. Canada produces 1.6% of global emissions, which make us the ninth largest emitting country in the world, according to the report of Government of Canada in 2018. Carbon pricing is the key of Canada's effort to slow global climate change. Many countries have implemented or are in process to start carbon tax. Many parts of country already have carbon tax imposed. Canadians should think of way to reduce its carbon footprints and decide what role it plans to play in future of climate change. Tehreem Fatima, QNet News, Belleville.